Hi, this is week 6. This is sheep heart dissection. First, this heart is covered with a tissue called the epicardium. And the apex of the heart is on the bottom. And this is the right atria, left atria. Right atria receive deoxygenated blood, and left atria receive oxygenated blood. Now, right auricles, it's attached to the heart and the right atrium. It's a small cone-shaped pouch which comes out from the upper and front part of the atrium and overlaps the root of the aorta. It collects deoxygenated blood from the bloodstream. Left auricles is it's a small muscular pouch of the upper corner of the left atrium. It collects oxygenated blood as it leaves the lungs and moves the blood into left ventricle. Now, right ventricle and left ventricle. They're both pumping chambers. Push the blood forcefully out into the right side is to the lungs and the left side to the rest of the body. And the interventricular sulcus is a major blood vessel found in the sulcus. It's a major branch of the left coronary artery, which is it's covered with fat, you can see, but its coronary artery runs around here. And the pulmonary trunk, it delivers deoxygenated blood. It's a blood vessel which delivers to form the right and left pulmonary arteries. At the base of this trunk is a pulmonary semilunar valve, which is made up of 3 leaflets, and that will prevent the backflow to the ventricular chamber. Now, aorta arch is on the top. It delivers the oxygenated blood to the entire body, but it has 3 major blood vessels, which is brachiocephalic artery, left common carotid, and left subclavian vessels. And there are 2 vena cavas. One is superior, is coming out from the top, and inferior is the deoxygenated blood coming from the bottom. The superior is the deoxygenated blood come from the head, arm, neck, and chest area, and then inferior vena cava is from the legs, abdomen, back, pelvic. The deoxygenated blood coming in from the vena cava. Coronary sinus is when you open, it's a little area here. Coronary sinuses. And if now internal anatomy. Okay, so if I open this, and this is the right atrium, and left atrium. This is the inner wall of the right atrium. Myocardium of the right and left ventricle. Myocardium is these big muscles here. And why myocardium of the left ventricle is 3 times thicker than the one on the right? Reason is because right ventricle I mean, yeah, right side will deliver the blood out to the lungs only, but the left side is uh, they deliver the blood out to the rest of the body, so need more power, more muscles. That's why it's more muscular on the left side. Okay, now interventricular symptoms. It's this here. Okay, now bicuspid. It's a mitral or left AV valve. Okay, so it's here, and the right. Okay, this is a left AV valve, and this is a right AV valve inside here. And chordae tendineae is a little muscular area. Maybe it's around here, right here, and here. And let me see, cusp of the valve. I cut it wrong, so it's kind of hard to see, but it's a 3 leaflets, like it's on the pulmonary semilunar valve on the top. I just cut it, so it's very hard to see. Okay. Papillary muscles. Papillary muscles is it's like this kind of muscles here. Okay. And pulmonary semilunar valve is the one that I cut it wrong, so you cannot see. And aortic semilunar valves is also aortic semilunar valves is right next to the pulmonary artery. So this is I conclude the dissection of the heart. Okay, all right, thank you.